Yes, hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Patrick Siman JUNTAK. You can call me PJ. And this is my co-host.
Window here.
And today we have a very special treat for you. It's called an avocado chocolate sundae. It is very simple to make, and we will make it live in front of you. It only consists of avocados. You should have some chocolate toppings. You can also use chocolate sprinkles if you have any. Vanilla ice cream. We'd recommend something that is more plain. Don't use something that's already, such as what do you call it, strawberry or chocolate. Just use something plain, such as vanilla, and some peanuts. So hopefully you can follow along at your house, and on how to make it is very simple. And let's just get started. And here you have the avocados. As usual, just cut it around the half, laterally. Take it out. Speed, take it out. And kind of get the skin out. And once you have that, and just scoop up the avocados, put it into the bowl to dispose. So that's one bowl. And the second bowl. Now, we do love our avocados, that's why we use a lot of them. Now, this is up to your taste whether you want to use more or less avocados. Okay, so that's done. And now you can scoop up the ice cream. Now, it looks like we haven't opened it.
Here. Here. They open it right here.
Scoop up the ice cream here. Now you can replace this with yogurt if you like, not just ice cream. So that's that. And you can pour some of the now chocolate toppings top of it. Now sprinkle some of the nuts. You can use different kind of nuts. You can use pecan if you like, pistachio, whatnot, okay? And we're done. As you can see how quick it was, and very easy to make, and it's very inexpensive. All these materials are available in your local supermarket, most likely. And now we go to the taste testing. So here we go.
Alright. Let's give it a shot. Okay.
It is delicious. are many varieties that you can use this. As we mentioned earlier, you can use pecan, you can use chocolate sprinkles, you can use different kind of nuts. But the key point is make sure you use vanilla ice cream or a yogurt that is based on vanilla. Use something that's kind of neutral. If you use chocolate, it's already overwhelming and you won't be able to taste the avocado as much. Okay, so this will be very good for parties or something like when you have guests coming over, whatnot. It's not too fattening, especially if you use yogurt. You can use sugar-free if you want as a substitute, but again, it's delicious. I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, as you saw from the video, I prepare it in front of you live. So the duration to make this avocado chocolate sundae is very, very quick and very, very easy. And you can make this at home very, very easy for your family. Thank you for watching, and join us next time for next video. Thank you very much. Bye now.